Namaste, I Dr. Y. Chandrakala. Today we are going to discuss about the growth principle of microbial nutrition. So how this microbial growth take place? There are two aspects of microbial growth. Increase in the cell size, increase in the cell number, the number of bacterial cells, the bacterial growth of the bacterial cells. Bacterial cells grow by doubling of the individual cell by binary fission. The growth of the bacterial cell is defined by the generation time. Generation time, when we talk about the generation time is the time required for the cell to divide. For most bacteria, the generation time is 30 to 60 minutes. E. coli 20 minutes. One cell after 20 generation produce 1 millions of cells. The logarithmic graph, when we see about describe the bacterial growth of the curve, we describe by the logarithmic graph. Stages of the when we talk about the stages of a normal growth curve, it is like the lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and the death phase. Lag phase, the little or no change in the number of cells. Cells are metabolically active enzymes or DNA synthesize. Lag phase, exponential growth of or the active reproductive or high metabolic activity take place in the log phase. Stationary phase, the number of the microbial death take place. That means the number of new cells or the metabolic activity slow downs. Death phase, the number of death greater than that of the new cells formed. So in this way we can measure the stages when we say lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and the death phase. When we talk about the measurement of the growth, microbial growth, it may be a direct method or an indirect method. Direct method, it may be viable plate counting method or the direct microscopic counting method. When we talk about the indirect method, it is, we can see through the turbidity or the metabolic activities. Plate count, when we talk about the plate count, the suspension of the cell, that may be the water, milk, or the urine, or etc. in the inoculated in a agarized medium. Okay. So usually serial dilution is required. One single cell is transformed into variable visible single colony. Only viable cells are detected, and plate has to be between 30 to 300 colonies are counted. Direct microbial count, microscopic count, we can do by design slide cytometry. So slide contain a well with described squares of known area and volume. The cells can be counted with the help of microscope, and the disadvantage here is all the cells are counted including the dead cells. Motile cells are difficult to count and high concentration of the cells are required. And advantage is it is fast and we don't need any incubation